Openerp comes with a really robust customer relationship management system just out of the box. It comes with all classic functionalities, plus it has very clean and friendly user interface. And if you find yourself needing for some additional functionality, you can always contact our company. It's Daily ERP. You can find us on www.dailyrp.net, and we can fulfill your wishes and probably for the best price on the market. And just for this tutorial, if you want to follow me, you should have CRM module installed and address book application installed. So once you install a CRM module, you get this sales menu item here, and the reporting menu item appears here. And the address book application actually is just this one link under your messaging. And once I hit the contacts, I see all my contacts that I have in the system. And actually every contact, if I click, let's say my company, under the sales and purchases, has those two checkboxes. So every contact can be a customer, it can be a supplier, or it can be none of them. So those contacts are none of them. They are not customers and they are not a suppliers. Okay, and let's go now to sales menu item. It's actually your CRM environment here. And here you have three classic parts of CRM. It's your customers, it's your leads, and it's your opportunities. And your customers actually is the contacts that is marked as customers. And you can always, here you see, it's filtered. It's a filter customers applied. And if I hit backspace and delete this customers filter, you can see that I have here all my contacts now being displayed. And if I can choose to display a customers here, or I can choose to display suppliers, but for this case, if it's CRM, we need only customers. And I don't have any customer yet, so I'm going to create one. So I'm going to give a name for him. It's going to be Inkaras TV. And now I have to select, is it a company or is it a person? And as this is a company, I'm going to choose that it's a company. And for every customer, actually for every contact on your system, you can give a tag. So what tag means is that later you can filter those customers or contacts just by tags. So let's say that Inkaras Ltd will be my VIP client, VIP customer, and I don't have here yet any VIP tag created. So Openerp offers me to create a VIP tag or create an edit. I'm going to choose create, and VIP tag has been created. Okay, here you can enter address of this company. So I'm going to enter now. And here under the contacts of this customer, you can create other contacts which is related to this company. It means that I can create here employees of this company. So let's create two employees of this company. I can give a tag for this contact the same way I do for the company. So I'm going to give the tag VIP because it's VIP job position, it's a director. save and close. So I have created a company, which is Icarus Ltd. I have gave for the company an address, some contact information, and I have created 2 employees for this company that I already know. And I'm going to hit save. And if I go back to the customers, it's a Kanban view. Actually, you see that I have 3 customers now. It's a company and it's 2 employees. So basically I can contact a company to this contact information, or I can contact every employee of this company. So this is your contacts, your customers. And now let's move to leads. But before moving to leads and opportunities, I find many times people confuses what is the difference and where is the line between leads and opportunities. So actually lead is when a contact which you have needs some action from your side. It means that if you want to figure out if this contact would be interested in your services or products, you have to take action from your side to get into the conversation. So this is a lead when you're trying to contact for the first time, or you just have a contact that you have never contacted here. So the contacts you have here, but when you just want maybe to contact some company to offer your products or services, it's actually a lead. And the opportunity is when a contact asks you for something, like you get the inquiry, some contact asks you, can you sell something for some price, or do you have something to sell? And the lead can be converted into the opportunity. And the moment of conversion is when the contact actually shows you an interest of what you are offering. So as soon as you have at least 1% probability of selling something, then it comes an opportunity. So we are going to start by creating a lead here. I'm going to create a lead, and I can give a subject here. I'm going to. So let's call this accounting software proposal. And I can choose a customer just right from here, or I can describe a contact here, and I can create a customer later. But I'm going to choose a customer that I have created earlier. It's Icarus Ltd, and all these fields gets filled automatically. I don't need to fill it by myself. And here I should dedicate some salesperson here. So I'm going to be a salesperson doing this proposal. So it's me here. Or I can dedicate a whole sales team, and I'm going to talk about sales teams a little bit later. I can choose a priority of this lead. And also I can choose from different categories here, and you can create new categories just from right from here. You can like create an edit, and you can create a new category right here. But I'm going to choose software because it's a software. I can enter here some more internal notes. And here you have some extra info you can set. And it's opt out. If you enable this, it means that if you send some mass mailing message to all your existing leads, and if this is checked, this lead will be accepted from the list, and this contact will not get the message. You can mark it as active, and you can also write some notes here for yourself if this lead was referred by some other person or some event or something. So I'm going to hit save now. And if I go back to the leads, to the list view, here I have one lead. It's only one here. And if I click, I see this lead as a form. And here comes a social networking application, really handy, because here on the bottom you see a social networking application and everything you can do with it. And here you can log a note about this lead. So I'm going to log a note. So I'm logging a note, and if somebody is following this document, he will see that I'm going to contact this company on Monday, and also I can send a message for the followers, but at the moment there is no other followers than me, and I can add some follower here, so he would receive all the feed which is related to this document, and this document is a lead. So now we have few things to do with this lead. So we can cancel the case, and this way this lead would go to canceled case, and you should cancel the case if you have contacted the customer and customer said, no, thank you, I'm not interested in it at all. It means that, okay, there's no probability to sell anything to this customer. And if you find that customer says, okay, maybe it's an interesting thing and please contact me after a few days, I need to talk with my colleagues just to know, do we need this or not? It means that this gets to the opportunity. And this is why you have this button highlighted here, convert to the opportunity. So if you have contacted, if you have made an action here onto this lead, and you know now that it has at least 1% of probability to be converted into a sale, you have to convert this to opportunity. And this is what I'm going to do now. And here a dialog box appears, and I can choose to convert it to the opportunity, or I can merge it with the existing opportunities. It asks me to link to an existing customer. Because I have chosen a customer existing, it has automatically filled here everything, or I can create a new customer from here, or I can do not link to any customer, but I'm leave this opportunity link to the customer interest. So I'm going to create opportunity. And now if I hit leads, I don't have any leads anymore, but if I click opportunities, I have one opportunity. And the opportunities tab has a really nice user interface here. It's a Kanban view actually, but it has a list view, it has form view, it has graph view even. So actually here, if you would have more opportunities, you can see some statistics on what's going on here. And it has a calendar view. But I'm going to switch now to the Kanban view, and here I have my new opportunity here, and this opportunity can go from new to qualification. I can just drag and drop this opportunity, and then it can go to proposition, then to the negotiation, and at last it can be won, or it can be lost. But I'm going to move back to new. And here you have few fun things to do. You can star it, you have this tiny icon here. If you click it, a drop-down menu appears. You can choose a color for your opportunity, so you can have here a bunch of different opportunities with different colors. And also you have some shortcut menu items here, which are only the shortcuts from here, from the form view. And if I go back to the opportunities, you see I can delete, I can send a mail, I can schedule a log call, or I can schedule a meeting. And if I click send a mail, for example, a composed email dialog appears. I can send a message for the followers of this document, and also I can add some others here. And basically it's the same functionality you have here, send a message, when you are looking at the opportunity as a form view. Okay, so every opportunity differs from the lead. It's just because it has a real probability of sale. So it has expected revenue. I can enter expected revenue here. Let's say it's €1,000. Also, at any moment in time, opportunity can have any percentage probability of getting into the real sale. So let's say that at the moment I have, I think I have 30% probability to convert this into the real sale. And you see pretty the same things here as on the lead. You can mark internal notes, and also you have here a corresponding lead attached. And when it comes to the tracking of what's going on your leads and your opportunities, when you want to track what are you doing on these opportunities and leads, you have few options to go. Actually, you can use a social networking application, which is here. It's a social networking interface here, and you can log a notes here. You can log everything that you have maybe talked with the customer, and also you can send the messages for all the followers of this document. Or you can go like classic way, like schedule a log call. Anyway, if you send some emails, it should be sent from here. So all the emails you will see here on the social networking, but also you can log here your phone calls, or you can log your phone calls by clicking schedule or log a call. So I'm going to log a call now for this opportunity, and dialog appears. Everything seems properly filled here. Action, it's a log call. I have already made a call and just want to write a note about the call. And the partner, Incurus Ltd phone number, I have called. Yes, I have called this phone number. And okay, call summary. Let's say we have discussed on the technical features, how to implement the software for the client. So I'm logging a call now, and all those logged and scheduled calls actually goes right here into the log calls and scheduled calls, because you have a dedicated menu item here, phone calls. So if I click log calls, I have my logged calls here, and actually right from the logged calls I can schedule another call, or I can organize a meeting here. So I'm going to schedule a new call. I can assign this log call. I can assign this call even to my partner, let's say to other system user, and he should get a prompt in his inbox that he have got a new scheduled call, and he should check what's going on. Call summary. It's going to be, yes, technical features. I can also choose a sales team here. I'm going to click schedule a call. Okay, I have a new schedule call. And once you have a scheduled call, you have few things to do here. You can click call done, and if it's just a call, actually it's not related to any opportunity or a customer, you can convert it to the opportunity. If you just made a call and you haven't created before a lead, you can log a call, schedule a call, then click call done, and then convert this call into the opportunity, or right from here you can schedule another call, or even you can schedule a meeting. But let's go back to our opportunities. This is our opportunity, and actually, because we have just spoken with the client about the technical features, I should go to the my opportunities, and I should actually drag this to the qualification, because now we are discussing on the technical things, and after we will be done with the technical features, and I'm going to propose him a price, some price. We move this to the proposition stage. So let's go back to the edit, and I can schedule a meeting for this opportunity. Here I have other meetings going on, but I can create another meeting. If I click here anywhere on the calendar, a dialog box appears. I'm creating a meeting subject, technical features discussion. I can select different meeting details. I can write a description about the meeting. It's a starting at a duration. Let's say it's going to be 2 hours, or I can mark all day. I can create different tags for this. I can select a location. Also, I have a few options here. I can make this meeting a recurrent meeting. So that means that if I click this box, you see now some options appearing here. I can repeat this meeting like 10 times, and you see a bunch of options. You can investigate this by yourself. It's pretty easy. The privacy, public, busy. This is a privacy, so that the users, if you click public, all the users, even your portal users, will be able to see that this meeting is scheduled on that particular time. Private, only you and the followers of the document will see this meeting, and public for the employees. It's public for the employees. Show time as busy or free. Okay. Invitations. We can invite into the meeting some other people, and if I click add item, I can choose a contact from my address book. Actually, this is all my contacts from my address book, so I can invite people right here. And actually, the main thing here is only the email, and you can add another person, let's say, and define here only his email address. The invitations means that all these email addresses will get an invitation to this meeting with all the descriptions about the meeting and the time and everything. Okay, I have it saved now, and actually the meeting has been scheduled now here. Every opportunity can be dedicated to a salesperson, or it can be dedicated to the sales team. And here I have only my sales department, and I can create a new sales team. Let's create a new one. I'm going to create a sales team with the name direct marketing. And every sales team can have a parent team. So it means that those teams can be organized into the trees. So if you have in your company sales department, and then you can have a few teams like direct marketing and like support and so on and so forth. So all those teams can have a parent team, which is sales department, let's say. It can have a code. A sales team can have a leader of the team. It can have a working time set when the team is working, and here you can add team members. So let's add Paulus and Simonas. We will be a team members. These are the stages of opportunities. Those teams will be working with these stages of opportunities, and you can even write some notes here on the team. Okay, so I'm going to hit save now. And if I go back to the opportunities, to our opportunity accounting software proposal, and I'm going to hit edit, you see that there is no sales team at the moment dedicated for this opportunity, and I can dedicate a direct marketing opportunity. And I hit save. And as soon as you dedicate some sales team to the opportunity or to the lead, and this sales team has a parent sales team, this escalate button appears here. And what it means that you can escalate this opportunity. So all the users who are in the sales department but not in the direct marketing sales team will actually not see this opportunity. And if you want direct sales department to see this opportunity, you have to click escalate, and then this opportunity becomes a sales department opportunity, and also sales department team members gets a notification that you have escalated, that direct marketing team have escalated a opportunity. And I'm going to escalate it also, and now it belongs to sales department, and the team members of sales department have got a message that this opportunity was escalated. Okay, so this is pretty much everything on the CRM application of Openerp, and I want to mention that if you see that you need some additional functionality which is not included yet into the Openerp, you can always contact our company at dailyrp.net, and we can fulfill your wishes, because we have our development department, and we can help you for the best price on the market. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next tutorials.